Lead Sublimation ceramic ornaments have a variety of base shapes, made with high-quality ceramic material. Our factory has multiple dust-free workshops. Avoid dust and dents on the surface. Ceramic ornament adopts automatic spraying technology. Ensure uniform coating. After baking at the appropriate temperature, the product can achieve a durable coating. Our daily production capacity can reach 30,000 pieces. Custom sizes and shape are available to suit any design. Weight per ornament about 30 grams. Thickness ranges from 3.1 mm to 3.3 mm. Popular size. The surface is flat, preventing breakage during the printing process. The edges are smooth and safe to touch. Double sides with even whitening sublimation coating, resistant to yellowing. Very simple printing process, need to mirror images. Can be printed using a flatbed machine or 3D vacuum machine. Clear print effect with vibrant colors. Colors remain vibrant for over 10 years indoors. The design stays intact even when scratched or peeled with tape. More durable, less prone to fading, and maintains long-lasting quality. Multiple rope options available: gold, red, white. Premium gift box packaging available to enhance brand value. Standard packaging in pearl cotton bags ensuring safe transportation. Perfect for Christmas gifts, home decor, and personalized gifts. Contact us now to explore more customization options and start your order.